You come to the app, you're saying like, hey, I'm feeling anxious. So the AI will suggest you like, hey, I'm with you. Let's do some breathing exercises.
What's the new thing which you're exploring? The mental health startup.
Yeah. So I have been taking therapy, and to deal with my anxiety issues. And my therapist, like, uses or advises me to use these tools like journaling, gratitude, affirmations, and, like just venting things out. So I'm trying to, so today in today's market, these tools are very fragmented. So every app, there are apps for everything. Like there's an app for meditation, there's an app for gratitude, there is an app for affirmations, there's an app for like, venting. So I'm trying to put these tools together in an ecosystem, like in one place. And based on the person's need, present that tool using large language models. So let's say you're feeling very anxious and stressed out and you don't have anyone to talk to or anyone to lower your, so you come to the app, you're saying like, hey, I'm feeling anxious. So the AI will suggest you like, hey, I'm with you. Let's do some breathing exercises, right? So you'll do some breathing for like a minute and then you'd explain your problem. It will give you some tools like a prescription to follow, like how therapist does today, that hey, start practicing gratitude, start reading these affirmations. And I found them personally really helpful, like in my journey of dealing with my mental health, where and I have seen some of my friends follow it as well, and it helped them. So yeah, leveraging these tools and putting them in one place for people to exercise.
Nice.
Yeah.
I think also I think any idea which comes from, where you have experienced that, I think you understand that a lot more better. I would love to try it out, right? Like, I think.
Yeah, I can send. I built the MVP, so I can send you as a test build right now. Yeah, it's just a very basic version. There's nothing fancy. But I use it personally for myself. Like I started using it. It helps me. But yeah, maybe it can help someone else as well.
200%. Like, I would love to try it. I think, yeah, you'll get that feedback and everything. I'll also send you some. I think I found a very great website. I have to start. It's just for breathing, right? So once, like, I think one thing, and I'll send some that to you. Right?
Okay. Yeah, it'll be nice to check out. Yeah.
So
yeah.
Awesome, Naman. Nice talking to you. बहुत मजा आया, बहुत दिनों के बाद ऐसी बात करी.
Yeah, it was fun, man.